Welcome to Lake of the Ozarks. I'm Captain Ben Beecher.
And I'm Marty Davis. And today we're aboard the 2025 Cruisers Yachts 50 GLS, the flagship of the Cruisers lineup.
One of the key features to this boat is these port and starboard fold-out terraces, which expands the boat from a 14-foot 6-inch beam to 21 foot. Also, at the back of the boat, we have dual grills and a wet bar. And you can see the Mercury power here. We have triple 600 V12s paired with the joystick and bow thruster. Makes this boat easy to drive. You can see here in the rear cockpit, we have tons of seating for all your friends and family and a huge factory stereo that I promise you everyone will enjoy.
And if you're wanting to get out of the sun, under the hardtop, we've got this nice wet bar with 2 large refrigerators, a pop-up television, an ice maker, and additional wraparound cockpit seating.
One of the coolest features on this boat is this wireless charging station. You can charge your devices on the go.
And underneath it, we've got bottle storage.
Not only is this boat fun to drive, it's easy to drive with your joystick, triple Simrad screens, and fantastic visibility. Now we get to the bow area of this boat. Huge seating area, comfortable, deep, and safe. And I promise all your passengers will love riding up here.
Down in the air-conditioned cabin, we've got the forward beeper, the mid-cabin, which converts to sleeping area, and a nice stand-up shower and a full bath. I'm Marty Davis.
And I'm Captain Ben Beecher. If you'd like to see this boat or any other boats like it, come by MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks today.